You look horrible.
It says you. Look at your face.
I got a good smile, okay?
Yeah, but
Oh,
you're
wait.
insane.
For today's video, we will be playing Animal Hospital. This is our second time playing this.
He totally didn't force me to play it.
Oh, coffee. Increases sanity.
Yeah, blah blah blah. Okay. Yeah. Sorry.
I'm gonna get eye drops just in case.
Yeah, me too. Alright, guys.
And my gloves. Walk through the door.
Move, fatty.
You move.
No, you move.
Open the door.
What do I do?
Nothing. I'll be right back.
What do I do?
Just wait. It's doing its thing.
Get out. I'm tired.
Close the door. Close the door. Close the door. Yeah, stay there just in case there's any other customers.
Go ahead and stare.
It'll be fine.
I'm scared. And I don't know why. This is like a kids game.
Technically, this is a kid's game.
Yeah, it's not.
Oh. Let me talk to him. Let me talk to him. I'm not doing all the work. Dr. Hollow. Hairlow. If things get strange. This is not a customer. I'll fix the shuttles and the cameras for you.
What you do? Yippee!
Hello? 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 Hello?
Hurry up.
Hello?
Hurry up.
Hello? Ooh, I got the best. Ooh, it's cause you're just over here all lazy. Okay, sorry.
I tickled him, guys. Then it's me.
That is not you. Okay, he looks the same as the picture. Hello?
Look at the camera. Look at the camera.
Ooh! You're not gonna hurt me, are you?
Hurry up.
Wait, is it still there? Okay. Okay. You can go now. The acid rain in room 4.
What?
I'm kidding. Just keep working on the one in room 5, which is the room you're in. He needs honey, he needs medicine. Ooh!
Good? Oh.
No, don't come in here, don't come in here. Surgery's still being done. I told you not to come in here. Yeah, the surgery's still being done.
You're such an evil doctor. Stab face. Let's stop.
You're getting tired of waiting, but you're not tired of breaking your neck. Ooh!
What? What?
Look at this photo. Okay, I need coffee. Yeah, if you're running low on sanity, aka the brain thing, just drink coffee.
Alright.
It works like a charm. I forgot to give him his ticket. What? What? How much? Oh my god, what is wrong with you? Jesus! Just shot the man. Ugh. I can't tell if he's not feeling well or if he's a monster.
Let me see the camera.
Okay. No, yeah, he's just not feeling well. We're good.
Alright.
No, don't shoot him!
I think we're shooting! I think we're throwing it!
He fainted because you pointed the gun at him.
Oh.
Get out!
No.
Get out, this is my surgery. Go get the other customers. Put it down. Put it down! Now go to the other room.
No,
go get
it's
go get
there.
the other customers.
No.
Doctor's arriving again. My pleasure.
Oh wait, never mind. Oh.
Yeah, you should probably go shoot him.
It's not working!
Okay, stop shooting, stop shooting.
Aww. Gosh, should I shoot the next customer?
No! This one's normal.
What should I do when I shoot him?
Oh, yeah.
I need more. Wait, how much money do you have?
I think we're sharing money. I know.
Alright. Can you keep doing my evidence? Put this part out.
Ooh!
What? Don't look at it.
It says don't look up. But I really want to.
Can I shoot it?
I suggest you not come over here. Okay. Dang! Okay. Water, thermal, cough drops. Water,
Sir, could you stop banging your head on the window,
Thermal.
please?
cough
You're not
drops.
fooling anyone. Man, I'm so sorry for that customer.
Can I see it from me? Oh my god. Okay, don't look a little up. Everything should be fine.
Should I shoot the customer?
Oh my god, I almost looked up again.
Emma, should I shoot the customer?
Don't shoot the customer, oh my
I
god.
fought it for a reason.
Yeah, to kill the anomalies, not the
No,
customers.
the customers.
What is wrong with you? Oh,
Shooting
yeah.
the customer.
I need coffee.
Burn to the bottom.
No!
Don't take my customer over again. What?
He took my coffee.
I know. You gave it to him.
No, he took it and then he just leaves. Oh. You didn't kill him. He broke the window now. That's real nice. No! My god. Shoot this guy. Shoot this guy. He's been sitting here for like, I don't know how long. Oh!
This guy's on fire. This guy's on
Go
fire.
deal with him while I deal with this person. Go get him the one drops. He's fine, he's fine. He just needs it. He just needs it.
Oh.
Never mind.
I shot him. Did I do a good job?
Yeah.
I'll shoot you.
No! No, please! Please!
I was trying to do such a Dame. Game, and then I just have it done.
Go get the other patients.
I don't want it. I got room 7. Don't stare at me like that. I'll stare right at you.
Ew.
It's ugly.
Oh, wait, let me deal with him.
It
Wait.
looks chalk.
Being small has its advantages. Good. Can you deal with customer 7, please, while I deal with him?
Yeah, I guess.
What you mean, you guess? Come on,
How long
buddy.
has this customer been here?
About 5 minutes. Medicine. Ointment. Thermal. Alright, while he's in there, I'm gonna be right back. Okay. Go in the chamber. What? Ooh!
What the fuck was that?
Do you need help? Do you need me to shoot him?
Yes.
Alright. Where are you?
Oh my god, there's another one. Get over here, get over here.
Taste them? Yeah.
Good, good, good.
You said there was another one. Where is it?
It disappeared.
Oh, okay. Maybe I'll take care of my desk.
It was eye drops, right? Okay.
What kind of room is that?
X-rays.
Alright.
Someone's keep dinging, so I'm gonna go check on them. I'll do this room.
Brennan,
Yes.
it's your job, Brennan.
I did not know that was an anomaly. Okay, get over here quick. I need you to shoot them. Quick. No, go back. Help.
Where's he?
Shoot him. Thank you. Whew. Oh, it's Coffee Man.
Oh, they have a coffee. Oh my god, I almost just.
Oh. Yeah, what's up?
What do we use the taser first? You want me to just come and shoot him? Yes, okay.
Yeah, sure. I guess I could
I wanna
take the
tase him, I
briefcase.
wanna tase him.
No, don't tase him. Don't tase him. He's giving me something.
What's he doing?
No problem. Wow. Oh yeah, my taser. I need to charge it. Ken, I need you to put the taser back. How is this guy not dead? Wait, let me tase him. Let me tase him so I can get this out of my hand. Oh, I need to get over there. No!
No, no!
You suck at aiming. I'm gonna tase this guy.
What did you do?
Nothing. Alright, don't worry, bro. I got you. 30 minutes, I think. No, 20, probably.
Hey, what's this?
Well, that's the briefcase I was talking about.
It's weird. Yeah, it's weird.
It'll be fine. It's nothing important. Take care of the customer real quick.
You want me to hurry this up? You want me to hurry it up? Hurry!
Get him. He fainted. Get him.
Alright.
What is wrong with you?
He told me to hurry up and he made me mad, alright?
Sit. I'll be right back. A fire? You gotta be kidding.
Wait, what?
Since when did you find that? Guess.
I saw a video to leave this. Like there's tiny fire in the corner, so I'm gonna leave that. Ow. Why did I run? Why have I flipped?
What's going on? Oh no.
Uh-oh.
Oh no.
What?
Death. No!
Wait, who died?
Someone in the x-ray room.
Someone here. Right. Listen to it.
Oh, Caitlin!
Uh-oh.
Caitlin!
I don't have the gun.
Back off! Get out of here, quick. Yep. Alright. You're not a skinwalker, right? No, I don't think so. Alright, well, we were. They're everywhere.
Back to work.
This is fast.
Alright, leave it so I can grab it. Oh, wait, which one? Get over here. Don't get up. Don't even try to get up.
Ow.
How do I kill them?
There's a fire, man.
Dust and spider.
There's fire. Just take it out.
There is no fire. There, kid, it literally says nothing about a fire.
What
What?
do you explain this then?
I don't know. Occupied room. Hold up. Three. Okay, I'm going. Yeah, no, I am.
Oh, eat it.
Rescue? Oh, what's up? Okay. Who's this? Kid,
What?
we got two anomalies here.
Alright. What's the white thing? No! Okay, this one. Oh!
How could you? Ken, when you get an anomaly,
Anomaly?
yes, when you get one, make sure to serve them. Make sure to like, get them in. And when you're in, purposely kill them. Like, purposely give them the wrong thing.
Alright.
So that we don't waste our tasers.
Alright.
Ken, you still need the coffee?
Yeah.
Okay, get over there.
You idiot?
No, I'm good. I'll deal with the patient. Hey, buddy. You still want to hold on to that briefcase? Sure. Can I take a look at it? What? No. Oh, I'm so good. Is that a ghost? I just saw a ghost. I hope no escape. You know, friend, I need to ask you a favor. Could you use that camera to take a picture of me? This one? He seems normal like other.
No, this one.
Ah.
Ah!
What? Oh God. Where'd that patient go? You. Okay. Pink must die. White. Yellow. Ooh. How? I gave him the right thing.
Thank you so much for watching.
Thank you guys so much for watching. We are going to play this again later on in the future, but
No, we're not.
yes, we are. But,
Bye.
subscribe if you want more Animal Hospital content.
Or you want me to play a horror game.
Yeah, whatever you say, bro.
Bye.
Bye.